Today I'm just going to show you how I style my hair. So the first product I'm going to be using is the Redken One United All-in-One Multi-Benefit Treatment. This is good for all hair textures. What you're going to do is you're going to, after shampooing, you're going to spray evenly on damp or towel-dried hair. And you're going to use your fingers or your comb to spread it evenly. The second product I'm going to be using is Paul Mitchell Super Skin Serum. It smells really good. It's good for humidity resistant. You're going to use just a dime size of it, spread it evenly to warm up the product on your hands, and then just put the product from mid shaft to end. Do not put it on your roots. Then I blow dry my hair until it's half dry, half damp. So 70 to 80% dry. And then I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my clip and I'm going to section my hair so it makes it easier to blow dry. I always start at the bottom and I'm going to find a section that I want to start at. Once I've done that, I'm going to go in with my round brush and round brush my hair. I'm going to take the small section from the bottom, as you can see right here, and I'm using the blow dry and I'm putting it at an angle so the air flows with the section of my hair. And then I'm going to keep doing that, keep doing the same thing over and over until you reach the end, the last part of that section. To have that nice bang in the front, I'm going to take that section and I'm going to blow dry it forward. And then that's going to create a nice volume and a nice shape around your face. So keep doing it, and at first it takes some practice to get it right. But if you keep going, you will eventually be able to get it. And then again, you're just going to keep doing exactly what you did on the other side. Done blow drying your hair, you're going to go in with a white comb and just brush your hair through. It's just going to help it be more smoother and detangle anything that you didn't get while you were blow drying. So what I'm doing here, and I'm using the comb, the white comb, to make a more of like a nice waterfall kind of look with the hair. And yeah, this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked it.